Hello students. Today I would like to explain you about HTML. Okay. So what is HTML? Already you all are aware of that all are using websites. Okay. You are searching the things on websites. So what is website? Website is a collection of web pages. Okay. So that web pages are contain many things. In web pages you can find audio, text, even video and pictures. That all things are there. So how to put all things in a web page? For that, one standard coding language is there, that is called hypertext markup language. Okay, that only we are using to create our web pages. So this HTML, for that you have to use particular markup codes, or you can say text. Okay, that we are using, and we are adding all that things like text, picture, sound and video on web pages. So what are HTML tags and how to write it? Okay, so HTML tags are always written in angular brackets. Okay, you have to write only angular brackets. You cannot use square bracket or curly bracket. Okay, then we are when we are writing HTML tags, you can write in capital or even small letters. They are not case sensitive. Many of the computer languages that languages are case sensitive, but here you can write either in capital or in small. Then two tags are there, start tag and end tag. So when we are writing two times the same tag, that tags are called container tags. Like see one example given here, that head, that is called start tag. Okay, and then again when your work finished, then you will give slash head, that is called end tag. Okay, that shows that end of that heading. Okay, and that always that end tag contains that forward slash. Okay, so this way when you are writing your HTML page, you have to write every place that this kind of markup codes.
So now we will see the format of an HTML document. Okay, uh, we know that we have to write some tags for creating our HTML document. So here this is the list of basic HTML document. This basic HTML document you have to use every time whenever you are creating your HTML document. That time this tags will come compulsory. Okay, so the first tag is the HTML. It is called start tag. Okay, so this tell that browser that now my HTML document has started. Now second part is head and slash head. Okay, so whatever information you will write it will not be displayed by browser, but you can write like author's name, date when it was created, that date you can mention. So that all things we can mention here in this part. One more tag is there in between head section, that is called title. Okay, so title and slash title, in between you have to write title of that document. Okay, and that will be displayed by the browser windows title bar. On title bar it will displayed. Then body tag. So in body tags it contains the content of the HTML document, whatever you want to show on your web page, that all things you have to write in this body section. Okay, and then at last slash HTML, so that shows now your document end. Okay, so when you are creating this document HTML document, that time you need notepad program. Okay, to create an HTML document we require simple text editor. On in that we will write. Okay, and when you prepare your document, your work done, then you have to save that file. So when you are saving that file, that time you have to put .html extension after that file name. Okay, if you will not put .html, then it will be considered as simple text file and will not be displayed by the browser window. Now after creating our document, we have to see our output in browser window like Internet Explorer. So first you have to save your file in Notepad, then you have to open Internet Explorer. You can use another web browser also in your computer like Chrome, Mozilla, Firefox. That also you can use to see your output. So this way we will create our document and we will see the output in Internet Explorer. So now let us perform the practical. So we need Notepad to write our HTML document. Already I prepared one document and we will see its output in Internet Explorer. Okay. See here basic tags are also mentioned and few extra tags also mentioned in body tag. Okay, like H1 and H6. We have total 6 header size. So here I have used the largest and smallest header size. Then P for paragraph, BIU, bold, italic, underline. So some text I have used. Now after creating our writing our this web page, we have to save. Okay, so here any name we can give. Okay, HTML document, but the basic requirement is that after writing your file name you have to put dot and after that HTML. If you will not put dot HTML, then it will be considered as text file and that will be not displayed by the web browser window. Okay, after saving we have to open it in Internet Explorer. Okay, there we have to go in file, then open. Okay, in that browse and search the file. Right now we have written HTML document and open. Now see, this is the output of your HTML document. Okay, one by one we will see. See, in head part this time we have not mentioned anything, but title is there. So where is the title? Title here on the title bar, my first HTML document, and also on active tab. Two places you will get this title. Okay. Then body part H1 and slash, in between H1 and slash 1 slash H1 there is a, this heading is there, HTML document. So the largest size of heading. Then paragraph. When you are using this P tag for paragraph, that time browser automatically give before one line before and one line after as blank. It will give blank line. So like in your notebook also, when you are writing paragraph, that time you are leaving one line before and after, right, while writing paragraph. Now text style, text bold, italic and underline. See, this is bold, darker, then italics, little, slant, and then that underline you. Okay, so this way whenever you will put any text in between these tags, you will get this output. Okay, this text will be not visible by your browser window. Okay, so now I hope you all understand. So we have to write our document in Notepad program, simple text editor, and after that we will open it in Internet Explorer and or any another web browser. So this way you have to create your HTML document. Thank you and have a nice day.